Today I'm going to be building a website for a cleaning business, and I'm going to be building it entirely with AI. I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step process of how I build a website from idea to launch. Before we get started, you don't need to learn how to code, you don't need to be technical, you don't need any experience. I want to show you how easy it is to be able to build a website entirely with AI. Let's get started. To build this website, we're going to be using Lovable. Lovable is a no-code tool that I use to create website, and it actually uses AI to build the website out for you. You need to go to lovable.dev. Once you're in there, you're going to be able to create a free account, and you'll see this search bar. If you've used ChatGPT or Gemini or Claude, if you've used any of the other AI models, it's going to be the same way that you use them. That's the exact same you're going to be able to use Lovable. So all you have to do is type into this search bar here exactly what you want. So for us, we want to build a website for a cleaning business. So let's type that into our search bar. So I'm going to type in, I want to create a website for a local cleaning business. This business is in Chicago, and I want to have sections that have before and after pictures, reviews, and form a pricing request. So we typed in everything we want, and then you just have to click this arrow to get started. And it's going to take a couple minutes to go through and build this website for us. And once it's ready, we're going to be able to go in and type into the search bar and ask it to make any edits for us to make it match our business colors or theme, and we can be able to edit this website entirely with AI. We don't need to have any coding experience, any technical experience. All you have to do is just type in what you want to change or what you want to add, and then it's going to be able to be built out for you. While the AI is building our website for us, I want to just show you some of the main essential sections to include in your website. What you want to include when you're building a website is first the menu or the header. This is what it looks like. Usually has your logo and different menu items. So if it could be like your home, about, contact us. So different pages that you want to have on your website. After that is the hero section where you talk about what you do, how you're different, and the key benefit. So right after that is where you talk about your offer and benefits, and you kind of go into detail and make a list of your different services or your products and how and what they do and how your clients benefit from your services. Right after that, you can have pricing. This is optional if you want to show pricing up front, or if you want to talk about the pricing after, it's up to you. But a very important thing after that is social proof. This is a way to give testimonials, you give testimonials, you can show pictures, and this can be quotes or company logos that you work with. After that, you want to have your call to action, which can be a form or a way to get the contact information for people who are on your website. And lastly, we want to have a footer. This is kind of like the header, where it shows your logo and also has different menu items or your social media accounts. The footer is going to have your logo, and then it can also have the different pages on your website and also a link to your social media accounts. So go back to Lovable. It looks like our website Lovable is done building our website, so we can actually see the preview on the right hand side. So we can go through here and see that on the right hand side. So you can see it has a logo, it has our company name, which is Sparkle and Shine. It has the different pages like the results, reviews, get a quote, get a free estimate. So it's going to show the hero section is here, where it talks about that we are serving Chicago when we clean, pretty much what we do, which is providing cleaning services. And people can request a quote or call our number directly from our website. Then what else I want to have is right after that is where we talk about our services. So you can see we do kitchen deep cleans, bathroom refresh, living room cleaning, and this is great for people to actually see the difference. Right after that, we have a section for the referrals, a section for testimonials. So we can get our testimonials from past clients or existing clients and have them shown on our website, because it's very important. People like buying from other trusted businesses, so it's very important to have testimonials on your website. Right after that, we have the form, which is what we wanted for people to request a quote directly from our website. So they can put their name, email, phone number, and type in exactly what they want, and we'll get that. We can send them a quote right after that. At the bottom, this is our footer. This is going to have our contact information and our services. So this is all great. And the great thing about Lovable is it's very easy to edit and customize. So if you want to change the colors, right now I have like a gold and blue. If we want to change that if you want to change the theme or the colors, you have to do is click this design button up here, and then you're going to go to themes. This is going to show all the different themes that you can choose from and different color schemes. So you can go in and select whatever you want from here. So we can go with maybe Glacier. Let's apply that and see how it looks like. It's going to take a few seconds to build. And actually we see that it was able to build our website in under 10 minutes, all done with AI. So one thing, once you have our website ready, you can always click this button to preview and see how the website looks like. So I didn't like that Glacier look, so I just clicked the back button to undo it. And now I want to change the fonts on this website. I want it to be more modern. So what I want to go in here is actually go back to the design, click themes, go to the current theme, go to typography, and we can select the font that we want to use. So right now I'm going to use the Poppins font. This is going to be similar to our header font. So it's going to make the changes for us. And let's see how it looks like. We can go back to the preview and click publish to be able to view it. So make it public. Website info. We can be able to change the icon of the app, so we can just say Sparkle and Shine Chicago. This is going to be the preview of this is how it's going to look like when people search up your website. And you can add an image or a description that it's going to show up in Google searches. And click continue and publish. Okay, so you can see that it changed it changed the header font, but we want to also change this hero section font and this here, the font here and here, so it keeps the same modern look. So I'm gonna go back and change that as well. So if you want to change a very specific section on here, you can click visual edits and click a button here, and it's going to show you. Once you click that, it's going to show you, it's going to pull up the exact setting details of it's going to pull up the exact details of the section that you selected. So we click the header here, and it's going to see all the sections here. So we want to be able to change the font right here. So we're going to click the sans serif, which was the pop-in one that we selected previously, and click save. We're going to also do that for the rest of these. The header too, we're going to go back and also change the font for this to sans serif. This as well. And this as well. So you can just go back and click the item you want to change and select how you want to change it. So now we've been able to change our font to look more modern. I kind of like this better how it looks right now. And one thing that I'm realizing is it's actually kind of hard to read this text here and also this text here. We're gonna go through and select them and ask the AI to edit this for us so it's more legible. So we can just select this whole section and ask Lovable to edit this for us. So we're just gonna type in to this text is not legible, make the text lighter so the users can easily read this. So once we have that in here, we can just click the button here. It's going to make the changes for us. So this is the section that we want to change it to make it easier to read. Okay, nice. So now Lovable has now worked on that, and now we actually see that the font has been changed to white, and it's actually much easier to read. So you can see that up here. And we want to also do that at this section here. So we can just select it. We can select it here, and if you want to just type it in, you can also see that it has colors here, so you can just click the color that we want, and you can just change it as easy as that. Just click the button you want to change, go to the color section, so this is just the text color, and then we can change it like this, as simple as that. Our website is slowly coming together. One thing I want to add is actually put a list of all the different services that we provide, and feel like that's missing. So I want to go back to the chat and just ask it to create a section for our services. So we can go in the search bar and type it in. So create a new section for the services that I provide. And I also want to add that my company is bonded and insured, and it's been operating since 1995. So we just gave it some more information. It's going to build a whole new section for us for the services that we provide, and wanted to also highlight that we are bonded and insured, since this is a very important thing that a lot of our clients look for when they're looking for a cleaning business. Lovable is going to go in and build that section for us. So now this is actually getting much better. So after our hero section here, we can see that it added that we're bonded and insured, working since 1995, over 30 years of experience. And it has actually listed the services that we provide, like home cleaning, deep cleaning, move in, move out, window cleaning, post-construction, and work with offices and commercial buildings. So this is actually a great thing to also have on your website. And I feel like this is looking good. So one thing we always want to check is to make sure that all our buttons are working, so we can just go in and select all the buttons, and it looks like they're all working well. And people can also be able to request a free quote. So once this is ready, as I said before, you can go in the top right corner and click publish, and you can update the link. And this is going to be the link that people will click to go to your website. If you have a custom domain, like a .com name that you want to connect to, you can go to publish, go to edit settings, you're going to go to the URL, and you can add a custom domain. So you just have to click this plus button here. And if you have an existing domain, you can just click connect domain. If you don't have one yet and you want to buy one, you can also purchase it directly on Lovable. So you just have to click this buy a new domain. So that's as easy as it gets. And it's going to be costing anywhere from $10 to $30 for the entire year. So it's a one-time purchase, and you're going to be good for the whole year. So our website is actually looking great. So yeah, I think everything else looks good. And the good thing about Lovable is you can also set it up that once someone fills out this form, it's stored directly in your account, so you can get a notification for every new submission. You can also connect it to your email, so that once someone requests a form, you get an email notification or a text notification that you have a new potential customers, and you can reach out to them directly as quickly as possible. So if you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up. And I also have a quick website checklist that you can download for free in the description below, or you can comment website and I'll send you the link directly. Other than that, this is how businesses are building their online presence in 2026, and you can do it in just a few minutes to an hour. And before, it used to take hours to be able to launch and create a website, and now it's as easy as using AI to build a website for you. So if you also want help building your own custom website, you can find my contact information in the description, and I can help you set up this template for yourself or build a whole new website for you. All you have to do is just book a one-on-one appointment with me, and I can help you set this website template for yourself, or I can build a whole new custom website for you. If you have any other questions, put them in the comments and I'll go through and answer them for you.